So students, we are continuing with the chapter number systems for CBSE board standard 9 maths. In the first chapter we are continuing with the first chapter number systems. So we'll try to solve some more problems on this chapter. So what is the question? The question is represent root 5 on the number line. So we know this is a number line. I have drawn it over here and I will do the explanation for this. So look, again represent root 5 on the how root 5 will come about. So here we have drawn the number line. Okay, here it is 0 marked here on the number line 0. On the positive side 1, 2, 3, 4. These are units, 4 units. Each are of equidistant length. So 1, 0 upon 1, rest is 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4 are the same here, 1 unit. Similarly, on the negative side also we have drawn minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So now where the representation of root 5 will come on the number line. Okay, so first what we are doing, we have drawn the number line like already I have explained to you. We have drawn the number line and marked it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the positive side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 on the negative side. Okay, now we are taking a square. We have to draw a square of unit length 1. So from 0 to 1, that is 1 unit length. Then a square. So this is OA. We have this vertex we have shown as A. This is O. Okay, O, and here the mark is 0. So here this is O. This point is O. This point is A. This is B. This is B, and this is C. So the unit square is, here I write unit square O. It will be O. The unit square OABC. OABC. This is the unit square. Since it is a square, we are drawing a diagonal OB. Okay, diagonal across inside the square. So diagonal, draw diagonal OB. Okay, since it is a square, all the 4 angles which are there inside the square, the angle O, angle A, angle B, angle C, are each of 90 degrees. That is a right angle because it is a square. That is the property. OA is perpendicular to AB. Similarly, CB is perpendicular to AB. And CB is also perpendicular to OC. So each side is perpendicular to the other. That is how the right angles are formed, 90 degrees each. Okay. So we have drawn now the diagonal OB inside the square. And what is formed after drawing the diagonal? 2 triangles are formed inside the square. So first triangle is OAB, second is OCB. So triangle OAB and triangle OCB. These are the 2 triangles which are formed. Now taking the theorem, Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem is involved here. Now we know OA is equal to 1 unit. Similarly, AB is also equal to 1 unit. So what is Pythagoras theorem? In a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem is related only to right angle triangles. So in a right angle triangle OAB, we have in triangle. Now I'll continue over here. In the right angle triangle, the right angled triangle OAB, OA is equal to 1 unit and AB is equal to 1 unit. Okay. So what is Pythagoras theorem? Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Here the hypotenuse is what? OB. OB is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is OB. So in the right angle triangle OAB, OA is equal to 1, AB is equal to 1. So according to the Pythagoras theorem here, side square, what is Pythagoras theorem? Side square so side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. This is the Pythagoras theorem formula. Side square plus side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay. Now here we know one side is 1 and the second side AB is 1. So OA is 1, OA. Therefore AB, sorry, OB, not AB, OB. Therefore OB hypotenuse is equal to 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, side plus side, side square. So that will be 1 square plus 1 square. Okay. So here I continue it over here. So OB square, this is OB square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square. So therefore